CHY tutorials. In these tutorials, I'll teach you on how to auto trade in chymore.net. That's the website. So you first log in. Into your account. You wait for it to log in successful. Login successful. And don't forget, auto trade starts from a VIP 3 account to VIP 5. If you are in VIP 2 account, you cannot auto trade at the moment. So let's say this membership level, this is a VIP 3 account, so we can auto trade. Okay, but before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to keep you updated anytime we update videos on YouTube. That's tutorial videos. Okay, so you click on auto trade here. Auto trade. So once you click on auto trade, you wait for it to load. It's loading. Good. Then you can see this. This 10 RS means 10 rounds. That's 100 days. Good. If you're on a VIP 5 account, you can trade on this. You can auto trade on this. With this, it's saying 10 rounds. That's VIP 4. If you're on VIP 4 account, you can auto trade on this. That's 100 days. 10 rounds. If you're on VIP 3 account, 100 days, you can auto trade on this. And also 5 rounds. If you're on VIP 4 account, you can auto trade on this. And the last one, okay, we have some here. 5 rounds. If you are on VIP 3 account, you can auto trade on this. And also 5 rounds. If you're on VIP 3 account, you can auto trade on this. You know, in auto trading, you use all your trading capital to buy the products. All your trading capital. That's what you use in buying the product. So this is a VIP 3 account. So I can either auto trade on this product or this product or this. So the person wants 5 rounds. Let's say I want 5 rounds. So let me trade on this. That's I want the quantum mobile phone charging meridian massager. So I click on it. You wait for it to load. Good. Now it's just the same process on how to trade. The manual trade. That's all. You click on picture in one. Picture in one. You wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. It's loading. You have to wait for the system to load. If your network is fast, it will load fast. Yeah, there you go. Good. Then you click on buy now. So I click on buy now. So it's just the normal process on how to trade manually. But the only difference is in auto trade, you click on the auto trade session and you select the product equal to your trading capital amount. Yeah. So with this, once it loads, good. Then you select the member info, click on it, then you scroll down and click on continue to pay. Continue to pay. So as you calculated what successfully. So a new page you open. Good. You can see payment password. Let's enter your payment password here. So we are going to enter the payment password. and you click on confirm to pay. Processed successfully. So you wait for it to load. Good. So from this level you click on view orders. I click on view orders. Good. So you scroll, you can see from this. So releasing, you can see 50 days, 8 hours, 0 minutes, 27 seconds. So we are done. This is auto trade. So we are done auto trading in a VIP3 account. You can see it's very, very simple, stress free. This is what CHY is talking about. Color your life, making life easy for all. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button below. Thank you very much, and bye bye.